Hello, everyone. A very, very warm welcome and good evening to all of you. I hope you all are guys doing great and staying safe at home. So, again, a quick and a brief intro about myself, my organization, and the agendas of today's webinar. Myself, Astha Button. I'm the speaker of today's webinar, and I'm catering the organization that's name is Tuty Hub Solutions Private Limited, and I've been employed here as a manager HR here, and I having an experience in talent acquisition, campus placements, business development, and lead generations. So, the topic which I have chosen today is basically I, try to sort out the solutions and the problems of the students, right? Because when I was in a college, I faced a lot of issues like, there was nobody to help me out, how to give the interviews, how to prepare yourself for the campus placements, then what kind of a problem the students usually face, like they don't know where to apply for the internships and how to apply for the jobs, and which company is the right place for them, which organization is the right one to continue their life career. So there are a lot of issues which students usually face while they are in the college. So today's agenda is only like we are just I try to compile a couple of issues, and then I also try to sort out the solutions of these problems also. So this could be our today's webinar agenda. So before starting and everything, I just wanted to know, like, am I audible with you guys? My screen is visible? So just give me in the chat box that you guys are comfortable, and yes or no, so that it's easy for me. There are a couple of people there, right? So apart from that, I am again creating a poll so that it would be easy for me to let you guys know what exactly the problems and solutions we will be helping you out. Thank you, Chaitanya. Thanks, Rahul. That am I audible and am I visible also? So apart from that, may I know, like, in which profession you are into? Because today I am majorly catering the students, right? The one who are already into the college, or the people who are just going to into the college, or they are just coming up from the college. So there could be three people, right? Entering, already there, or exiting. So these three areas of the students are the ones who will be covering in today's topic, and how Tuty Hub would be the one for catering and trying to give the solutions to them. So yes, Rishabh, I got your message also. Thank you. See, before starting the agenda again, I wanted to give a quick crux about the organization, what exactly the Tuty Hub is all about, and how we can help you out, right? See, Tuty Hub is a platform, right? What we are doing it, we are, it's been almost more than 3 years, I suppose. Me, my team, and other people who are working with Tuty Hub, we try to cater the problem of the students, corporates. There are educational institutions who, really face what kind of a problem they face. We try to find the solutions for them and connect those people at one place so that it would be easily accessible to each other, if I would say, right? So we have majorly three pillars, right, and three methodologies. I would specifically saying that three pillars, right? And the complete life cycle believes in these three pillars only. That is learning, working, and earning, right? You yourself can think of yourself, like, I mean, if you do not learn the things, will it be possible that you can work in any of the area, or will it be possible for you to without working, that you would be earning something? Not really, I don't think so. I mean, this is my viewpoint, that definitely if we have to work somewhere, we definitely require some kind of a courses, some kind of a knowledge, some kind of a learning. That's why we go into the colleges, right? And that is the reason we usually perform professional degrees. We usually go for BTech, MCA, MSc, BSc, whatever. I mean, it's your life. I mean, life, you have to decide, but there are some career options which you have to choose to make your life easy, and to make it more in a good working stage, and to get good earnings. So this is what exactly the system believes Tuty Hub. That's learning, working, and earning. So I hope my screen so that Okay, so I hope you can see my screens. Right. So here we goes that I was just explaining about what kind of a platform it is, because we believe in three pillars. I just explained it. It's learning, working, and earning. Apart from these three pillars, we also believe in catering the, five entities also. So in those five entities, whatever, it could be campuses, it could be corporates, it could be freelancers, it could be affiliates, it could be students, it could be professionals, could be scholars, anyone. I mean, any of the professional in any category would be onto TuteHub. That would be really helpful for them to get, get any kind of a solutions for their problems, right? So apart from the solutions or the problems which I'll be catering today, we have three services, right? If we believe in three pillars, then we believe in three services also. And this is the entire things which, I would say a complete circle, which makes complete solutions for every problem. So if we caters about the services, we believe in three services as of now. We are catering hiring and placement services. The second one, we believe in business development and technology solution services. And the third one is branding, marketing, and lead generation service, right? I'll explain you quick about hiring and placement services that has been taken care by the HR team of TuteHub. In hiring and placement, what happens? We are trying, and even we have, almost connected more than 100 of corporates with our system with TuteHub. Those who look for hirings, right? Those who look for the right fit for their organization. So these right fit could be the freshers. These fit could be like any experienced professional. These right fit could be anybody who is having a talent, right? So this hiring and placement services would majorly, working on this department, so that it would be easily accessible, or it would be easy for the students or the scholars to get the right job into the market. Now, if I talk about the second service, that is business development and technology solution service. In this service, what happens? We try to help the corporates, we try to help the startups, we try to help the mid-sized organization with how to generate the business and how the company to. Now, if I talk about the branding, marketing, and lead generation service, see, any of the organization, that's okay if they require any of the business development IT solutions, but what next after it? Definitely they look some kind of a branding of your organization, branding of themselves also, because people in today's scenario really wanted to brand up themselves as well, right? So branding, marketing, and lead generation. Have you ever given a thought that you are running some kind of a business, or as a student also you really wanted to promote yourself? So you might be working on something, so you do not ever think of that you look some kind of a more business, or you look some kind of an exponential growth into your business, or any kind of a project you are doing it. So this is the third service that we do, that we give a branding to the products, we give branding to the organizations, to so that we can give them a right leads. Actually, we just market them. So this is our third service that we caters. So three pillars and three services that TuteHub completely driven about it. That's learning, working, and earning, and hiring, placements, business development, and lead generation. So this is a very quick crux about the system that we have. Now let's come about the topic which I'll be covering today. I am going to share you one slide, that is, the challenges faced by the students in college. See, I try to jot down only a couple of challenges, because when I was in the college, I also felt the same, that there was very less people who will be helping in the college for the placements, or there are less companies who are coming up, or if they come, the people gets rejections, whatever it could be the reason. But placement issue is always there, right? Placement, I feel that placement issue is there, right? Apart from that, the other issue is, if you are really talented and you might really wanted to get the job into the right organization, the problems comes of lack of confidence and communication, isn't it? There is things that the people face, that they are they are not, it could be from that background, or the schools which they have gone through it, or whatever the mother tongue issue. There are number of issues, and my concern is just the communication would definitely a problem, which today's scenario, the every corporate looks for the best communication. The way the way they represent themselves, the way the students talk, the way the scholar talks, I mean, they look for the things, right? So this is the second challenge which the students face. Now the third challenge, if I talk about, that is internships. I also heard that there are in every semester. I mean, if I talk about a normal BTech MCA people, that in every semesters, or might be in every year, they have to do some kind of internships, because their curriculum requires it, or they have to go for some kind of a practice. So internship is also one of the challenge that is faced by the students. See what happens when whenever you're applying for the internship, you might get rejections, or you do not get the same internships that what you look for. Like you looking for some kind of a graphic designing internship, or you look some kind of a mobile application internships, but you did not get it, right? So what next? Either you will be you'll not be happy, or you don't feel like that this is the right career place. I mean, there are a lot of questions comes up in the mind, right? This is actually a challenge or the problem the young youth faced while they are in the college, right? Now what about the extra earnings? Everybody needs money, right? Everybody really wanted to have their pocket money. And I was in the college, I really do not want to ask for those 100 rupees, 500 rupees from my parents, right? To just we are having some kind of a party, or enjoy in the canteen with the friends. But what next? I mean you cannot ask on a regular basis with your parents. I mean, so because they are, again, they have to give your tuition fees, college fees, so that we have to support ourselves also in some area, right? So this is also one of the challenge the students face in the college. The other challenge which I realize is exam preparation and the skill assessment. If I talk about exam preparation, when I was also in the college, I tried to feel like that government exams are very good, or this is the area which I can explore it after my graduation or after my post graduation to get the job. So there are a lot of these kind of a challenges. Then in skill assessment also, if this is the challenge, right, that people are not or the students are unable to assess their skills in this skill assessment. My concern is that, have you ever given a thought that how good you are in aptitude skills, how good you are in logical, how good you are in reasoning, how good you are in technical, or how good you are in psychometric? This is the challenges that the students face, is it correct? So these are some kind of a challenges which I try to figure it out, that a very, I mean, this takes 6 7 challenges, that this I mean, if these are the challenges, what could be the solutions for these challenges? The next question would be like, that is okay, if these are the challenges, then how can we try to sort it out? So for these challenges, when we face the issues, we also try to give us solutions for the same. We act as a tuty hub. I mean, if you can see the logo, I mean, himself saying a gateway of opportunities, right? This is the logo itself says there are opportunity. It's a completely open gate where you can enter and get your solutions ready in hand, right? So let me tell you how tuty hub helps you while sorting out these challenges which you have faced. So if you can see the next slide, these are the solutions, right? If I talk about the problem of placement issue, right? Now what happens when why the placement issue comes up? Whether there could be less corporates coming up, right? Or there are corporates who are coming up but not as per your expectations, or the corporates which comes up, it's not fitting for your jobs requirement, right? Or the corporate who coming up in your placement is not the way the company which you wanted to work on, right? There could be a lot of issues with the placement, yeah, if I would say about the job majorly. So what we are trying with the tuty here, we are trying a solution for this one, that we are trying to have an associations with the corporates, right? We're trying to have an association with every corporate, whether they are startups, whether they are mid-size, whether they are big MNCs, whatever it could be, or the entrepreneurs. Because there are a lot of startups are coming up every day, right? And the jobs are coming up in this scenario. Without technology or without any kind of IT solutions or IT market, I mean, I don't feel like that there could be any kind of a solutions, right? I mean, if you can see, right, these days what's happening in lockdown, every IT company is running, everything is online, everything, it's technology wise. So somewhere these are also those people, those technologies people who are working, and give us those solutions while with the softwares or with the automated tools. So this is what about the corporate association. If we try to have the corporates who are tied up with us, right, whatever corporates will be having, these students will definitely get the jobs from them. I mean, you can apply it. They will definitely look on to their resumes, or they can definitely give a call as per their requirement. And definitely, you by a system, you will be getting a place into the market, right? So this is our first focused area of placements, because we also have a team who is really working hard for you to get you the placements, to give you the placements, apart from that, to give you the placements into the right corporates, right? So we have already tied up, I mean, with a lot of corporates, whatever it's pan India, so that you will get the right jobs. So this is the solutions, that do not worry about the placements, we are there to help you out. Now, the second problem which I have, the challenge which I have already written in the first slide was lack of confidence and communication, right? What happens if you having a lack of confidence and communication, that you might be getting a good job, but due to your confidence or communication, you might be getting a rejections, right? Or you were not able to crack the interviews. But there could be some kind of a solutions for them, definitely, because at the end, I mean, you have to get the job. This is the last and end goal actually of everyone's, right? So what we doing it, we are having an HR team who will help you and support you for your interview preparation, so that you do not need to worry about it. Once we give you the interview preparation, how to give the interviews, how to crack those interviews, how to present yourself in front of the person who's taking an interview, then why not, you will get that job, right? You will again into not in the in hundreds of students, you will definitely at number one then, because you are already prepared and you have a solution, how to crack those interviews, right? So we TUTF again is coming up with the second solutions, that is HR team to support for interview preparation, right? Now, if I challenged, I mean, if I can again give you the third slide, this is, the skill assessment exam preparation, right? Now, what about the skill assessment? You are not prepared, right? And a lot of companies are coming up in your colleges, right? But, somehow you got rejections in your written test. Is it might happen that you are good in communication skills, or you have a confidence, but somehow you are, not able to crack the written test, which is majorly of your aptitude skills or your logical reasoning skills, right? So what we are doing it, we are conducting a pre-assessment for the same, right? So that it is easy for you, that you can prepare yourself, right? While giving lot of questions solved at QT Hub, right? We have prepared the papers, we have every question banks ready, so that you just simply register, log in, and get your pre-assessment done. So this is what happens once you will preparing for a pre-assessment, then definitely it would be helping you out in getting prepared for the next job, right? So this could be the first step, I would say. I mean, your first step is pre-assessment, then definitely your HR support, and then your interview preparation, and then your corporate associations. So this could be the process and the solutions by Tutia. Now, what comes up if you are you might be looking for the jobs, but not into the private industries, or you really have a dream to go for a government kind of a job, or you have something for a competitive exams, right? Then also, what is the challenge? The people, the students, what they face is that they are not able to, practice those papers, or they are unable to find the right place to sort out the paper and with the solutions, right? So TUTF again did that part. So you just do not worry about that thing. We have those competitive exams at our system, right? So that it would be easy for you to get it prepared, right? Whatever it could be CPMT, IPMT, any kind of medical examinations, any kind of a Navy examination, any kind of a banking examinations, medical. I mean, there are a lot of, right? I'm just giving you a couple of examples. I mean, for better clarity, you can just visit tutihub.com and you get to know like how many competitive exams we have already onto the system, and you just solve it out and crack your exams, right? So these are a couple of solutions for, by TutiHub for the students. Now, my next and the last solution is, this is very important, is remote opportunities on project basis. See, I told you that if I told you the challenge is extra earnings, whosoever do not want to earn extra, right? Right. If you are into the college, you would definitely love to get something extra for your pocket money, for your party with the friends, or anything you wanted to enjoy, right? Which you do not want to ask with your parents. Or these are something which the person who are already working, but definitely wanted to earn something extra. So this is just simply an extra earnings, right? Now what if you are having a talent, right? You have to simply post your talent onto the system, right? Let me see if I can show you that screen as well. I mean, if you can go at TutiHub, then definitely you can see there is an option, list your talent, right? So if you can list your talent, then definitely you will, get to know that, how the things would be easy for you at the end. So that's my, well, get to know. I think here we goes, right? I don't know. Okay. So this is a complete system, right? It's just showing exclusive services, and apart from that, just explore the system. See, in here also it's showing learning, working, and earning. And if I already talked about the question papers, you can sort it out. If I talk about the placements, you can check it the column. For the jobs, you can check it out. For the projects, which I'm just talking about, it's here. For the internships, you can check it out here. For an online examinations, here. So my major motto is, I mean, if you are sitting at any place, right? If you are just sitting right down in the lockdown, we are sitting at home, but there are people who are working from home. Like we guys are also working from home, right? There are a lot of people who are working from home, and even earning extras on project basis as well, right? So what do you think? Like, you have a talent, we have the opportunities. So why not with TutiHub you can connect it and get something extra, and definitely which will help you out, to grow in your career also. So agendas of today's webinar, that if you can just go through with the things, or I would say the same, then definitely you would be having lot of solutions with TutiHub. Now apart from the solutions, if I'll be sharing this one more screen. That is if I talk about the solutions here, that's HR team to support for interview preparation. We have the team, we have the service. Now what we are offering in this service is that in this service we are giving an online interactive sessions with the HR expert, right? So I mean, do you think so that is it required? Don't you think so, right? You are not good in giving the interviews. You are giving having an options to prepare for the interviews remotely. You're sitting at home and you are getting those things. Difficult queries, questions, preparations has been taken care by this TutiHub service. Then interactive coachings are there, and resume analysis and feedback. So this is a from tutf.com and have a look onto that service. Apart from that, I will also share this link on the box for your reference, so it would be easy for you. Then the next service, if I talk about, that is test your skills, right? I, here in this one, I already explains about the pre-assessment, right?